work the bugs out, man.
Tell me about it, dude. How long have I been working bugs out, motherfucker? I've been 2 fucking years. Jesus Christ, I'm fucking about sick of it. But it's coming around. Finally. That Hank he'll come over and he fucking
He helped Randy a bunch.
yeah, and Corey come over and helped us.
Swanson?
Yeah. So, I mean, we're getting on track here. It seems like. I ain't made a full hit yet, but
It seems like it's trying to go down now?
yes, it seems like it's trending, you know. It's just, you know, these tracks we're running on, these motherfuckers are good,
Oh, they're good.
you know. I mean, these ain't no preps. My shit was set up for a no prep.
Right.
I mean, real no prep, you know. So.
Where's Hank Hill at?
He's up there with them guys.
He's been coming up and watching you.
We're so far out of the fucking ballpark. Yeah, you know, definitely real close.
It's just funny with the fuel though, man. Sometimes they want more, sometimes they want less. I don't know. I'm starting to learn now the fuel. Sometimes they want more fuel, you know.
I mean, that's what this is one. This fucker's black smoking and it's running, it's not hurting nothing. You know what I mean?
Remember what we did in Denver with the black smoke? The only piston we didn't burn was the one that had that sopped up nitrous can. That was shooting just fuel, you know.
I don't know. You know, we're just here having fucking right?
I gotta get
I can't go do all this shit you guys are doing. This is out of control.
It's hard, man.
I don't know where fucking you get. You must have a lot of fucking getting some. I think you should let me hold some of that money. There's probably a lot there that you got.
Something wrong. Just floats like that?
Yeah.
The floating, sir.
It's Mercedes.
Yeah.
It's called float wipers.
Oh, man.